Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this. Look at this. This is the ultimate activity puzzles for kids 8 to 12. We have a 12-year-old here, so it's something to do to keep her busy over the summer here when she's not sitting there doing something productive. So not necessarily a punishment, but a little bit of a somewhat learning activity. So we're going to give this thing a try here. It's got little puzzles there like the mazes. It's got some word searches. See, there's a maze, word search. Tells you how to play a word search if you don't know how. There's another maze, different ones. So it's just something to do, keep busy for a little bit. So seems like good. You can play tic-tac-toe. So then apparently, there's the, I guess, Sudoku too. I have never even played that. So maybe I'm going to try this one. I'll try the easy one. Try to do that. Crossword puzzles. Farm animal word scramble. I'm going to guess this first one's a goat. I don't know what the next one is, but whatever. So y'all can figure it out and play this thing. It's worth getting, I guess. And you can get another book if you scan that barcode. Oh, you can buy another one from Jennifer Fascioni. So that's it. That's the ISBN number if you need to look this one up, but find this one. So thumbs up from me. Go ahead, like this video, subscribe to my channel. Links in the description so you can pick one up for yourselves. Thanks. Bye.